Yo, what is up, guys? So today we're doing something new again to the truck. So we got the fan off because we're taking the fan off, the fan clutch off. No more belt driven fan. We're going to electric fans. So this is what I got so far. So got this old shit off, and this one it wasn't working, bro. It just kept overheating my truck. Even put a new clutch on it, no. So first thing, we got the electric fans. Got those off of 05 Silverado, brand new, the box. We got the Nelson harness right there. Everything you need in it. Nelson harness, about $100, 130 cents shipped and everything. I mean, it's good quality shit, you won't break down. Also, I gotta upgrade my alternator. He's the one I got, Power Masters. These are some heavy duty ones. There ain't no bullshit with this one now, because you know this one runs off. Let me tell you how much this one is. Oh, damn, it's a little heavy. Let me show you the stats on it. Idle 173, 195, and 234. But you do have to upgrade your the power cable from here to the battery. It's 2 gauge, upgrade it to 2 gauge. The instructions say that. That's the only one you gotta do apart from the big 3. It's the main one. Otherwise, if you don't upgrade it, you're gonna not be running these numbers. Because we got this little alternator. This is 105 amp and it already struggles my truck just keeping up with this light bar, and then I got the other light bar up here. And then sometimes when I use the little electric fans, I put some electric fans in here. Those are ass though, don't recommend them anyways. And the amp, because I do got a sound system in the back. So that much, the amp couldn't even handle it, it just struggles. And then these take 40 amps by themselves. So my truck has 55 amps running idle, so it's a piece of shit. It's basically just, you need to buy that. Anyway, so let's get started. So far I got everything off. Now let's just, what's next is setting up the Nelson harness. So we're gonna plug it in real quick. Oh, actually no, let me keep removing shit. Let me take off this alternator. We're gonna take it off out the way while we're already here. All right, guys, we got the big turbo mounted already. Make sure it spins freely. Oh, well, it spins, it don't spin freely. But also got the Nelson harness wired up already so far. We got these wires going into each of the computer terminal thingies. You know, blue goes with the blue side because one side is blue and this side is green, so this green cable goes to this green side. And now we just got to finish connecting these to the ground, which would be right here on the side of this little thing. And we gotta connect the fans. I should have checked if these actually fit my connections, because I didn't even check them, and I just got some other fans. Anyways, hopefully it does. And yeah, so yeah, it'll be pretty easy in the instructions. When you buy the Nelson harness, it'll come with your instructions on where to pin them. Like this was pin 44, 42, and this one was 33. I know this one was 33. But read the instructions. If you put lube on the little cables, it just slide them into the connectors. It's super easy. I was struggling. I just lubed it up. Worked out good. So now I'm gonna finish hooking up the harness, and I'll get back to you after that. See what I do next. The other alternator was at 105, and this is a 250, and I mean a big ass one basically. The old belt doesn't fit, so I gotta go pick up another one, a bigger one from a different alternator size for this truck. I already got it ordered. I'm gonna go pick it up. This little one didn't work. I even had a spare one from another car, or I don't know when, but it was slightly bigger, but still wasn't big enough, so wasn't able to do it. And either way, the tensioner was all the way pushed down. It was just gonna slide it on hard and then still snap because of the tension. It was all the way down, didn't have any slack to move. So basically, get the big ass alternator, get your different belt, because it ain't gonna fit, and it'll save you a trip from going twice. Let me go to the store real quick. Oh, psych, we ain't there yet. About to be there though. Boom, fans are in both sides. Got the harness hooked up right there. That's zip tied temporarily because I run out of tap screws. New belt, and we'll just see if it works. And I got that 2 gauge wire going from battery to the alternator, and should be it. My friend's finishing up the tune for the instructions for the electric fans to the computer to tell it to turn on. If I plug them in the right spot, it should be all good basically. I'm just waiting for it to start, and hopefully it doesn't burn up. Upside down view real quick. Oh, that's hot. That is hot. And boom. 5 hours.
The second one's on 230 right now.
We got a little leak though up there. I know I got a leak. I gotta fix that. I don't know if it's leaking from the straight header or the gasket on the header. I mean, like next to the header. One of those two, but I mean, it sounds good, don't it? A little chop to it. A little chop. Got the new wheels. Yeah, ready for the mud. Anyways, thanks guys for looking. I know it wasn't that bad. I got a little frustrated with that. Some things I broke. Gotta keep going to the store, but so far the fans work. I'm gonna keep you updated before I upload it. I'm gonna drive tomorrow in the hot ass heat here in Texas right now. It's 100 degrees. See if they actually work. My truck, my AC would not stay cold. You see your fans? They're still on right now, but hopefully it keeps the AC cold. With the alternator, so we're having power issues down there. That cable that goes to the alternator, which is this little one. Well, I broke this shit. I put this one that was too big, so it didn't want to work. Anyways, basically, this is I don't know, like a 10 gauge. It's a piece of shit. It didn't work, so we're gonna upgrade it to this one, 2 gauge. So we got 2 gauge wire right here, and bought off Amazon. Got me a roll of it. There's the rest of it. There's a black and red, and it came with little crimps. I mean, not little crimps, little things. And I bought this little machine right here. Look at this machinery right here to crimp them down. Anyway, it works pretty good. You need a hammer, a little mallet, and there's pretty good ones. And it came with some shrink tubing. The kit that I bought, I had to buy this one separately, but this one came. This basically cable, pink shrink, and these little connectors came all together. That's pretty cool though, but I should have got a thicker wire because apparently the gauge wire that's already on the truck. Oh, here's the black one. This one right here for the negative. Let me show y'all. It's already 2 gauge, so if I wanted to upgrade it, I'm not really upgrading. I'm just gonna waste my time. So I need to reorder it and get that 0 gauge wire. But I think it should be good now. We're just having problems with that. Put this back so I start sparking shit everywhere. Last time I did it. So we're gonna put that new one right here, and it's gonna from here. It's gonna go right over here. And then you're gonna run a separate cable from the alternator to the battery. You have 2 gauge wire. So let's see, that hopefully fixes the power issues that we're having. Low power a little bit. Alternator's not really charging to the max. So I think that's pretty much gonna be the problem. If not, well, we'll go to YouTube. All right, guys, see what happens. Final product after last night. I got these new 2 gauge wires put in. This one's right here going to this red box. And I got this one going down to the battery. Right here, it's a mess right there, don't worry about that. But right now it's working, it's staying in good idle. Let me go inside real quick for y'all. Alright, there you go, guys. We got good, you know, it's working right now. Our rev's a little low because we're tuning it, still working on the process of fixing that tune, getting it perfect, but I mean, it still works. It gives some gas. Yeah, I hear my exhaust. Look at it pops too. Lord. Anyways, yeah, I need some gas. But yeah, we're gonna work on that tune real quick, get the revs up, and AC's even on too. That's with the AC on. Turn it off real quick. Does the gauge go up? Yes, it does. Let me get you the other view. Hold up. Okay, that's broken. That's what it is. It's just broken. But it works. I'll let y'all know how it goes long term. Right now it seems good. I just need to go go with my friend, get it tuned, fix that idling shit, and we should be Gucci. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope y'all don't fuck up like I did.